all of our strings thus far have contained at least one character. It's actually possible to create a string with no characters in it whatsoever. So the way to do this, let me assign this to variable s, is I'm just going to press single quotes, and I'm not going to put anything in it. So I'm going to execute this line, and this is possible. So s over here, if I try to look at it, you're not going to really see anything. It's just a string with no characters. These are referred to as empty strings. So you can create them with double quotes like this. It doesn't matter. Let's do S1. You can create a string with just a single space. That is completely different. This has one character in it, and it is a space. That is not an empty string. An empty string is just a string with no characters in it, and it has to be created like this. It doesn't matter if you use double quotes, single quotes, or triple quotes. If there are no characters inside of there, then it is an empty string. This is a string with a single space.